Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I will be sharing with you a natural homemade shampoo made of green tea leaves and amla powder. This shampoo is easy to make and this is very good for all hair types. The panthenol present in green tea is a great conditioner and the caffeine present in green tea blocks the DHT, which is the hormone which is the main cause of baldness. The antioxidants will provide nourishment and helps to grow your hair. Using natural shampoos will help to reduce hair fall. This will also prevent gray hair. And this shampoo will not strip the hair of its natural oil. Instead, it provides shine and bounce to your hair whenever you use this. The main ingredient of any natural shampoos are these soap nuts. These are easily available in any supermarkets or any general stores. You can purchase them and keep it and store it for few months so that you can use to make natural shampoos. These are natural ingredients that help to grow your hair. They also give bounce to your hair, and also the soapy texture of the soap nuts make it a wonderful ingredient for any hair care or even skin care products. To use this, you need to first crush it and remove the center portion, that is the hard seed, and use the outer shell to make this shampoo. So to crush it, I'm going to use a mortar pestle and beat it so that I can separate the seeds from the outer skin. You need at least 10 to 12 of these to make this shampoo. So after removing the seeds, you need to soak them. One more main ingredient of this shampoo is the Shikakai. If you have this solid piece of Shikakai, then this is the time you need to soak them along with the soap nuts. I do not have this. I have the powder form, so that is why I will be using that at the end of the recipe. So here I have soaked the soap nuts in 2 cups of water. The next ingredient would be amla powder. This you can substitute with the methi powder or any other ingredient of your choice. Here I am using amla powder which I have roasted. The main ingredient of this shampoo would be the green tea leaves, which I am taking 2 tablespoons. If you don't have this, then you can also use green tea bags, at least 2 to 3 tea bags you need to use. The method to make this shampoo is that you need to take a pan and add the soaked ingredients. Here I am using only the soap nuts. If you have soaked the Shikakai, that also you need to add. And add 2 tablespoons each of the amla powder and the green tea leaves and place it on the stove. Add 1 cup of extra water, and totally 3 cups of water should be reduced to half of its quantity. So you need to keep this on a low flame and stir it continuously, or take a few minutes break and then stir it so that it doesn't boil out. Do not with any lid, otherwise the soapy lather of the soap nuts would fizzle out. So you have to do this in a low flame. So this is reduced for half of its quantity. Now I need to strain this in a strainer. So this is how I need to strain it, and cool the mixture before you can transfer it into a bottle. You need to separate the residue with the liquid. So this shampoo is almost ready. Since I have not used Shikakai while boiling this, I will be using now to mix this liquid with Shikakai. So this, I have a clean bottle and I'm going to transfer it. You can store this for at least a week or 10 days in the refrigerator, and use this accordingly. So always make in small quantities and it will be good for you to use it. So this shampoo is best used when you have applied any hair pack like oil massage or any egg hair packs. So this is best. It is better than the store-bought shampoos. Initially you may not find it very luxurious, but as you continue using that, you will feel that your hair becomes squeaky clean and it loves the shampoo. So here I am going to mix this with Shikakai powder which I have used. So if you have used Shikakai beforehand, you don't have to mix this. You can use the shampoo directly on your hair. To use it, you need to wet your hair and use like the regular shampoo. The Shikakai also will cleanse your hair. It adds shine to your hair and also curbs hair loss. So this shampoo is easy to make and very good for all hair types and all ages. Suppose if you like this, please share this video and comment in the comment section below. If you want more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.